Okay, so this is how I made $290 today trading NQ futures as a 16-year-old trader. I took a total of 3 trades today, and I'm gonna go over my trades and show you why I entered. So these are my trades today. I didn't take this one, I just took those 3, and I'm just show you why I entered on NQ just for the sake of a clear picture. So the first trade was this top tick right here. I saw it was only 2 confluences, so I was looking for lower prices just because of, wait a second, just for me to mark this out. So this is the 6 p.m. range. It's taken from the low to the high of the 6 p.m. candle, or from the high to the low. And as you can see, the -4 standard deviation, that's what toptick this. And I entered because, I entered because of yesterday's premium wick. As you can see, the premium wick upper quadrant, I graded it, and then I saw that the upper quadrant of the premium wick almost exactly lined up with the 4 standard deviation. We also took this liquidity on the left. We had an SMT with the S. So yeah, I just set a limit to here, or I can show you an MNQ. I had a limit up there, 6-point stop, only risked 2 micros because it was like I was just looking to see if it wanted to play out or not. I was willing to lose a lot on this trade, so I only risked 2 micros. I took one off really early, just to secure some profit if I was gonna get stopped out. So I took one off right here. This was my entry up here. I can show you the executions as well if you want. The labels. Entered 2 up there, took one off here, then took the other one off right here at the opening range gap CE, consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. And I also entered a long exactly right here because I wanted to ping pong this. Because the opening range gap CE was lining up with equilibrium of this price range. So as you can see, it lined up exactly, or almost exactly. So this is where I had my long set. It just ran through. Same thing, 6-point stop or 5.5 point stop. Entered right here, got stopped instantly. I was looking to see, just to rebalance higher. I would have taken it off at equilibrium of this price range, probably. And then for the last trade I took today, it was this one. Again, I'm going to show you on NQ why I entered. So, wait, let me take this off. So this is the new day opening gap for today. As you can see, it's the separation between the 4 p.m. close and the 6 p.m. open from Thursday, which is today's new day opening gap. I marked it out just because of how much of a run we had lower. For beginners, it's not good to try to pick the bottom. I myself lost a lot of money by trying to pick the bottom. But yeah, that's also why I didn't set a limit here. I just waited, and I saw how the bodies respect the consequent encroachment of that new day opening gap. I market entered 2 micros, or 1 micro, sorry. 1 micro stop beneath that low that was formed, and it would have played out pretty nicely. Thing is just that I went break even as soon as we closed that candle, I believe. And I just got out. My stop got hit by 1 tick or something, and then it went up to my take profit, which was this SIBI right here. Wait, if there was a bottom, I don't know. So yeah, and then I was really tempted to take this one, but I didn't. I was tempted to take it because I would just want to show you setup. Because NQ took this low right here. We were in this 15-minute busy right here, and we made an SMT with the S. ES didn't take that low. I showed you earlier. We had a lot of displacement from that low. We had the change in the state right here. On NQ it's a little more visible. Of course, if I trade, I don't look at the micro chart. Of course, I look at the mini chart, but I do my annotations on the micro charts afterwards for my journal, so that's why I show you on the micro charts. But when I trade and when you trade, you should always look at the mini chart, just because the micro chart sometimes is a little more, it sometimes has a little, isn't the same as the mini chart, you know. Sometimes the candles close a little different or something, and it isn't as precise. So yeah, I saw this change in the state right here, but I didn't enter off of it just because I already took 3 trades and I was up and I didn't want to lose anything. And as you can see, it turned out to be a good decision because I would have gotten stopped on this candle pretty aggressively, and now we are just continuing lower, and yeah, I'm fine with that. So yeah, that's how I top tick the market today. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will answer to anything. Leave some feedback in the comments, recommendations for other videos, and yeah, see you in the next one.